How to fix Messenger waiting for the message problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first we'll start off with checking your internet connection. Make sure you have the stable Wi-Fi connection, and if you do not have a Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. After that, go to the Play Store application on your device and then search for the Messenger application over here. So just make sure that you have the latest version of the application on your device. So right now you can see there's no option of update. It means that the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to go back to the home screen and make a long press on the Messenger application and then tap on App Info. Now as I tap on App Info, it will lead you to the home App Info option over here. Then you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it. Then clear cache and then tap on OK. After that, go back and your problem might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.